Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You stop using the Solo 4 right away, powering it while wet causes shorting. Once off, remove the ear pads and any detachable parts so you can reach seams and screws. Make a clean workspace with a towel and gather 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, a small Phillips screwdriver, and tweezers. You'll act quickly but calmly. Removing moisture and isolating components is the main priority now, because preventing corrosion in the first hours greatly improves repair success. You carefully unscrew and open the shell, keeping screws organized by location so reassembly is straightforward. Once inside, blot visible water with lint-free cloth, then use a soft brush dipped in 90% isopropyl to clean connectors and PCB traces. This displaces contaminants and helps dissolve salts. Use low-pressure compressed air to move trapped droplets. Do not blast with high heat because that can warp plastic or damage adhesives. Make sure you inspect flex cables and speaker contacts for corrosion as you proceed. You seal the open parts in a container with plenty of silica gel packs or uncooked rice for 48 to 72 hours. Patience prevents shorts when you next power it. Once thoroughly dry, reassemble using your organized screws and reconnect flexes, then power up and test pairing, playback, and microphone. If you hear distortion, intermittent channels, or no power, try recleaning contacts. If problems continue, the likely causes are corroded traces or damaged drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.